So far we have discussed one-to-one function, onto function and a bijective function. Now today I will discuss composition of two functions. Let f be a function from a to b, g be a function from c to d. Then the composition function GOF will be defined if range of f is a subset of domain of G. That is, range of the function f is a subset of domain of G, which is C in this case. So range of f should be a subset of C and is defined as under the function GOF, image of x is equal to G, change this O to the bracket, so we get G of fx. So G of x is equal to G of fx. Now when we define a function, then first we define its domain and the codomain. So we have to discuss what will be the domain and the codomain of this composition function GOF. Let's see. Definition of the composition function is this. On this x, we are applying the function f first. So this x should belong to the domain of the function f, which is a. So this x should belong to a. That means domain of this function is equal to a. Now this fx will belong to the range of the function. Now according to this condition, range of the function f is a subset of C. That is, range f is contained in C. That means fx belongs to the set C. Now this element is in the set C. So with this element, G will associate an element of the set D. So this element will finally belong to the set D. So domain of the function GOF is A and its codomain will be D. So GOF will be a function from A to D and is defined by this. Similarly, composition function FOG will be defined if range of G is a subset of domain of F. That is, range of G is contained in A, the domain of the function f, and is defined as under the function FOG, the image of x is equal to f, change this O to bracket, so f of gx. Now let us see what will be the domain and the codomain of the function FOG. Now look here. As we did earlier, on this x, first we are applying the function g. So this x should belong to the domain of the function g, which is C. So this x should belong to the set C. So domain of FOG will be the set C. Now this gx will belong to the range of G. But according to this condition, range G is a subset of A. So therefore, Gx will belong to the set A. That means this element will belong to the set A. Now, that means this element is in the domain of the function f, and to every element of its domain, the function f will associate an element of the set B. So, image of this element under the function f will belong to the set B. So, this element will belong to the set B. So, therefore, the codomain of the function FOG will be the set B. So, let's take one example. F be a function from this set to this set, and G be a function from this set to this set. Function f is defined by, yes, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 5, and image of 5 is 5. And the function g is defined as image of 3 under the function g is 7, image of 4 under the function g, that is g4, is 7, image of 5 under g, that is g5, is 11, and image of 9 under g, that is g9, is 15. Now we are to find out the composition function GOF. GOF is defined as, under this function GOF, image of x is g, this will change to the bracket, g of fx. Now first we have to check whether this composition function will exist or not. Yes, this composition function will exist if range of f is a subset of domain of G. So let's find out the range of f. Range is the collection of all images. So the range of f is 3, 4, 5. Domain of the function G is this, that is set consisting of elements 3, 4, 5 and 9. And you can see that range of f is a subset of domain of G. Therefore, this function exists. Right? Now we have to decide what will be the domain and the codomain of this composition function. Now, this x should come from the domain of f. So, domain of the composition function will be equal to the domain of f, which is this set. So, domain of GOF is the set with elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this element will belong to the range f, and range f is a subset of domain of G. So, this element belongs to the domain of G, and image of this element under the function G will belong to this set. So, codomain of the function will be this set consisting of elements 7, 11 and 15. So we have seen that GOF function exists and it is from this set to this set. Now according to the question, we have to find out this function. When we have to find out the function, that means that I have to find the image of all the points of the domain. So domain of this composition function is this set. So first element is 2. So under this function, image of 2 will be denoted by this, and this is equals to g. Change this to the bracket f2. Now this is g. According to the definition of the function f, f2 is 3. So f2 is 3, and this is equals to, yes, g3 is equal to 7. So that means that under the composition function GOF, image of 2 is 7. Similarly, next element of the domain is 3. Image of 3 under this function is G of F3. Now, F3 by definition is 4, and G4 by definition is 7. So image of 3 under the function GOF is 7. Next element is 4. So image of 4 under this function will be G of F4. F4 is 5 and G5 is 11. Next element is 5. GOF 5 will be G of F5. F5 by definition is G5, which is again 11. So I can write my GOF function as image of 2 is 7. So first ordered pair will be 2, 7. Image of 3 is 7. So next ordered pair is 3, 7. Image of 4 is 11. So it's 4, 11. Image of 5 is 11. So it is 5, 11. This is our function GOF. So in this question, we have found function GOF. Now the question is this function FOG exist? Let's check. This composition function will exist if range of G is a subset of domain of F. So let's find out the range of G. Range means collection of all images. This is your function G, and images are 7, 11 and 15. So range G is the set consisting of elements 7, 11 and 15. Domain of the function F is this set. Now you can see range of G is not a subset of domain of F. Therefore, F of G does not exist. Let's take another example of composition function. Let A be the set of students of 12th A and F be a function defined from A to this set with elements 01, 02 and so on till 39. And function is defined as image of X under the function F is equal to class roll number of X. Now, here is the list of students of 12th A, and these are their class roll numbers. So, definition of the function F says that image of any element is the class roll number of that element. So, X should belong to the domain, that is the set of students of 12th A. So, if I take X to be Aarti, then image of Aarti under the function F will be equal to the class roll number of X, which is 01. So it is this. Now let G be another function from this set to this set, defined as image of 01 under the function g is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. Image of 0, 2 is 1, 2, 1, 0, 2. Image of 3 is 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, and so on. Now I will try to find out the composition function GOF. First we will ensure that this function will exist. Now this GOF will exist if range of f is a subset of domain of G. Now clearly range of the function f will be this set and domain of the function is this, and you can see range is a subset of domain of G. In fact, they are exactly the same. So this composition function will exist. Now this x should come from the domain of the function f, which is a. So domain of the composition function GOF will be a. Now this fx will belong to the range of the function f, which is this, and it is equal to the domain of the function g. So under the function g, the image of this element will belong to the codomain of g, which is this set. So composition function GOF will be from A to this set. Now under the composition function GOF, the image of Rth will be equal to G, change this to bracket FRT. Now according to the definition, FRT is equal to 0, 1. So I'll get G of 0, 1. And by definition of the function G, G of 0, 1 is 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. So A is a function, f is a function from A to B. So every element of set A will be associated with some element in the set B. And B is this set. Now G is a function from B to C. So every element of this set B will be associated to some element in the set C, that is in this set. So with every element of the set A, we are able to associate an element of the set C. So from A to C, this function is the composition function of these two. You can relate this example with the situation. Board allots roll number to each and every student who is taking the class 12th board examination, right? So with every student X, we associate its roll number. Now while evaluating the answer sheet, to maintain the confidentiality, to every roll number, board associates a code which we call as the fictitious roll number. So that means to every student, board has associated a code. So this is your composition function. Now let's take another question. Find GOF and FOG, where f is a function from R to R, defined by fx equals to 8 times cube of x, and g is a function from R to R, defined by gx is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 3. And here R is the set of all reals. Now first we will see whether GOF function exists or not. Range of f should be a subset of domain of G. Yes, clearly range f will be a subset of R, the domain of G. So this function exists and it will be from R to R. Now image of x under the function GOF will be G, change this to this bracket, G of fx. Now this is G of fx is your 8 times cube of x. So it is G of 8 times x cube. Now I have to find out the image of this element under the function G. So look here. Here the input is x and here the input is 8 into x to the power 3. So role of x is being played by this number. So in the definition of G, I'll replace x with 8 into x cube. So I'll get 8 into x cube whole raised to the power 1 by 3, which is 8 raised to the power 1 by 3 into x cube raised to the power 1 by 3. That will give you 2x. Next we have to compute f of G. First we will see whether this function exists. For that, range of G should be a subset of domain of f. So clearly range is a subset of R, which is the domain of f. So this function will exist and it is from R to R. Under this function, image of x will be given by f of gx. Now gx is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 3. So now I have to compute the image of this element under the function f. So in the definition of fx, replace x with this number. So I'll get 8 into, replace this x with x raised to the power 1 by 3. So I'll be getting x raised to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. So which on simplification will give you 8x. So here GOF is 2x and f of G is 8x. Both the composition function exist, but they are not equal.